In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF to your Shopify page. This can be a handy feature if you want to share important documents like product instructions, brochures, or any detailed information with your customers. Let's break this down into simple steps so you can easily follow along and add PDFs to your store without any hassle. First, let's head over to Google Drive. You'll want to open your browser and search for the PDF file you plan to embed on your Shopify page. Once you've navigated to the correct file among the search results, click on it to open the document. The next thing you'll do is direct your attention towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll see 3 dots indicating more options. Click on those dots and select the option that says Open in New Window. This step is essential because it will prepare the document for embedding by presenting more sharing options. Now that your PDF is open in a new window, click again on the 3 dots at the top right. This time choose Embed Item from the menu. Google Drive will then present you with a code specifically for embedding. Go ahead and copy this code as it's the key ingredient for adding the PDF to your Shopify page. Once you've copied the code, hit OK to close that window. The next step involves taking this action over to your Shopify store. Open your Shopify admin panel and click on Online Store in the side menu. Once you're there, find and click on the Pages option. If you're adding the PDF to a new page, you'll need to click Add Page. This opens up a space where you can create a new web page in your store. Choose a name for your page that accurately represents the content of the PDF you're adding. This will help both you and your customers find the information easily later on. Now, with your new page open, locate the HTML icon. It might look like a set of angle brackets. Click on this icon to switch to HTML mode. Paste the embed code you copied from Google Drive into this HTML field. This is the code that will ensure your PDF appears correctly on the page. After pasting, it's a good practice to click on the HTML icon again to switch back to a visual view, ensuring everything appears as expected. Finally, save your progress by clicking on Save at the top or bottom of the page. And there you have it, your PDF is now seamlessly embedded into your Shopify store. This simple process will enable you to enhance your customer experience by providing access to necessary documents directly on your website. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful Shopify tips.